Hello friends, in this video I will show how to make Word black background white text. So you want to implement this setting in your Microsoft Word document. You want to make background as a black color and text as a white color. So firstly type your text here. So we have this text in design tab. In page color, select black. Just you have to select this page color as a black, so it will turn automatically your text into white color. Also you can enable or disable this gray color theme in your Word document. So file, then account, and here you can select black, or you can select here in account gray, dark gray, or colorful. So if I have to use colorful theme and white text, so just here select page color as a black. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.